Hey everyone! If you've ever wondered whether opening a certificate of deposit, CD, affects your credit score, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll break down exactly what a CD is, how it interacts with your credit, and whether you should be worried about any impact on your credit score. Stick around to the end because I'll also share some smart money moves you can make with a CD. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, what is a certificate of deposit or CD? No, we're not talking about those old-school music discs. A CD is a savings product offered by banks and credit unions that lets you deposit money for a fixed period, like 6 months, 1 year, or even 5 years. In return, the bank pays you interest, usually at a higher rate than a regular savings account. You can't withdraw the money early without paying a penalty. Now let's get to the big question, does opening a CD affect your credit score? The short answer: nope. Here's why. 1. No credit check required. When you open a CD, banks don't perform a hard inquiry on your credit report. Unlike applying for a loan or a credit card, there's no credit check involved. That means no temporary drop in your credit score. 2. Not reported to credit bureaus. Credit scores are mainly based on loans and credit accounts, things like credit cards, mortgages, and car loans. CDs, on the other hand, are just savings tools. Since you're not borrowing money, banks don't report CDs to credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. 3. No debt involved. Your credit score is largely influenced by how well you manage debt, things like making payments on time and keeping your credit utilization low. A CD isn't debt, it's just your own money sitting in an account earning interest. Okay, so a CD doesn't directly impact your credit score. But could it have an indirect effect? Possibly. Here's how. 1. Using a CD as collateral. Some banks let you take out a loan using your CD as collateral. This is called a CD-secured loan. If you do this, the loan itself will affect your credit score, positively if you make payments on time, negatively if you miss them. 2. Improving financial stability. Having money locked away in a CD could help you avoid relying on credit cards in emergencies. Less credit card usage equals lower credit utilization equals potentially higher credit score. So, what's the verdict? Opening a CD won't impact your credit score at all, but it can be a smart financial move to grow your savings. If you're looking for safe ways to earn interest, a CD might be worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.